How to make easy to make chocolate cake. First, you're going to need to get your materials. You're going to need 1 case of Oreos, 1 mug, 1 fork, and some milk. Step 2 is to put 7 Oreos into the mug and then fill the mug up halfway with milk. This is very important in the process, so don't skip it. Step 3 is to smash the Oreos using a fork and make them as small as little dirt pieces. Don't worry, stay with us. This is normal and this is supposed to happen. Now you're going to want to put the mug into the microwave for 75 seconds. After you put it in the microwave for 75 seconds, take it out of the microwave so it can cool down for around 2 minutes. Now enjoy your new chocolate cake.